Hey everyone, welcome back. I don't know about you, but I'm excited to watch Hocus Pocus 2 this Friday, and I thought it would be a fun idea to make a little treat board that was cute, easy, and affordable to snack on while I watch the movie. So that's what we're doing today. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell before you leave so you never miss out on a new video. Let's get started. For my Halloween treat board, I am going to use one of these buffalo checked chargers from Dollar Tree. You could use a board you already have, or you could use one of the cute little Halloween platters Dollar Tree sells. It's up to you. First treat I'm going to make is some witches' brooms. I just got these little miniature Reese cups from Dollar Tree, and I unpackaged each one of them, and I got some pretzel sticks from Dollar Tree, and I just put the pretzel sticks right inside the top of the Reese cups. Well, actually, I believe it'd be the bottom of the Reese cups. And then they just turned into some cute little witch's broom treats. When I was working with them, they do get a little melty. So I popped them in the refrigerator while I was making my other treats. For my second little treat, I'm going to use these little skull buckets from Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 4, and I thought it would be cute to have little brains coming out of them. For the brains, I decided to use some already made Rice Krispie treats from Dollar Tree. I just picked up one of these bars and I sectioned off the Rice Krispie treat into 4 about equal pieces. And then I just took each of the pieces and I kind of shaped them into a brain looking little treat. So I just kind of balled it up and made a little like oval. And it was a little bit like thinner on the bottom and a little bit taller on the top, so that way they would fit down in the buckets nicely. And then I took a butter knife and I kind of just rolled that back and forth in the middle of each one of these just to make it look more like a brain and section it off a little bit more. And then I just plopped them right into the buckets. It's super easy. You can have the kids help you with this. It doesn't take any time at all. So I just continued to do that with all 4 of the buckets, and then I had the brains coming out of the skulls, which I think is super cute. Now you can definitely leave your buckets just like this, and I think it definitely gives the effect of the brains, but I decided to make them stand out just a little bit more, and I did that by using these little bloody bites that you can get from Dollar Tree. They're just little vampire teeth, and they come with a little gel packet of like candy blood. So I took that little gel packet out of one of them and I just squeezed that into that middle section there where I made that little indent with the butter knife. And then I just spread it out a little bit with the butter knife as well. And then you could make little extra little lines coming out of it. You could pipe little extra things onto it, but I think this worked out perfectly and adds a little spooky treat to the Halloween treat board. Next up, I wanted to make some cute little witches hats for the treat board because why not? This is a Hocus Pocus themed treat board pretty much. So I took a pack of these Oreos from Dollar Tree, and then I took some Hershey Kisses that I just previously unwrapped. Those were also from Dollar Tree. And then I took some of the icing from Dollar Tree, and I just took a big, large gallon Ziploc bag, and I put some of the icing in that bag, and then I colored my icing orange. You could color it any color you would like that is Halloween themed, and I just snipped off a little tip of the end of the bag, and I'm gonna pipe just a little circle on top of each one of these Oreos, and then to top it off I just put the little Hershey Kiss on top of there, and that's all you need to do to make a cute, adorable little witch's hat to add to this treat board. It took no time at all and is a fun little idea for the kids to do and help out with also. Again, you could set these in the refrigerator while you were finishing up the rest of the treats for the board so that way they don't get too melty. For this next little treat, I used another one of these Rice Krispie treat bars, and then I took some of the Hershey Kisses that were left over from the witch's hats, and I melted them in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds. They don't take long at all to melt. I placed those in a Ziploc baggie, and then I took the leftover icing from the witch's hats and I placed that in a Ziploc baggie. And then I cut my Rice Krispie treats into 3 equal pieces, and I just took the icing and I spread it across each one of the little Rice Krispie treats to make it look like lines, to make it look like a little wrapped mummy. And to give the mummy some eyes, I used the chocolate. So I just dotted those right there in between the lines to make it look like the mummy was peeking out of its wraps. I think they turned out super cute. Lastly, it's time to put everything together on the board. I got my little skulls with the brains out, placed those on there. I added some already prepared snacks from Dollar Tree, like these little cheese puff balls, and then I added my little mummies to the board, and then also my little witch's brooms. I stood those up and laid some down, and then also my little witch's hat, which I put on each side of the board, and then I added some Halloween suckers. But there is no rhyme or reason how you place any of this stuff on your board, just however it fits nicely onto your board. I added some Cracker Jacks, and then lastly I added some little chocolate eyeballs from Dollar Tree. And I think this turned out super cute, perfect to watch a movie with, or you could take to your next Halloween party. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this Halloween treat board idea. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you're going to be watching Hocus Pocus 2 this weekend like me, leave me a black cat emoji down in the comments below. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.